Hi, Brother Thane. So I created an app that I'm calling Chore Cards. So how it works is you have these cards, kitchen, living room, bathroom, and theoretically you'd be able to make a new card for other rooms in the house or like a bedroom or something. And then you type in the name of the individual who is responsible for the chore, and then you type in all the tasks like fill the dishwasher, and unfortunately, that doesn't work. Um, I have an error in my code that I can't quite figure out. So when you click the add button, this will come down here to this check marked area. And then once you check all of them off, you can clear whatever is completed. So you should be able to do that with all these cards. Let me show you my code really quickly. So here is my HTML with my cards. Here is my TypeScript. This is one thing that I'm not sure exactly how to fix. Because if I remove it, it doesn't work. Well, I guess it doesn't work with it there either. And then one other thing I know that's an issue. Oh, it's in my HTML. This part, because I have this string interpolation here that should connect to this in this file, and it doesn't. And so it says it's undefined, which is frustrating because my code's just been giving me problems today. It wouldn't let me do a closing tag for one of my things, and so I had to like delete everything and retype it because it wasn't noticing that there was no closing tag. So I don't know if it's the code or if it's me. It's probably me, but that's my code, and I'm sorry that I couldn't get it to do what it was supposed to do. I think the idea was really cool, and so I was excited for it to work. But yeah, that's my app. So